mirar la luna, la 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 la.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we proceed, let's start first with an important disclaimer that this is not a financial advice. Always do your own research and do not invest money you cannot afford to lose, as cryptocurrency is highly volatile and risky. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. As you can see here guys, I love here the La Liga Arena. Make your choice, choose a team, earn points, and win rewards. This event will run on 52 days, 6 hours, and 12 minutes as of the moment. And if you want to sign up now, just click the link right here. So for our schedules, you can just check out our websites. It will be completely displayed right here in this section below. And below that is the tasks that you need to do to earn points for this event. So for new user registration, we have here 50 points, so that you will earn 50 points once you register. For our first selection, you'll earn also 50 points. And for our phone number, if you want to link your email, and of course for the first selection, just click this corresponding buttons right here. So for our futures guys, meet the required daily or total futures volume to earn points. And if you want to trade now, just click the link right here. And for our daily points, it is currently maxed or capped out at 500 points, and it is cumulative guys. So even though you were not able to sign up for a day, it will accumulate and accumulate daily and daily. It will not disappear right after the event ends. And then yeah, for here, if you want to spot, this is the of course meet the required daily total spot volume to earn points. Of course, you can just check out right here. And if you want to invite also, you can earn points by that. And if you want to invite, just click the link right here. So for our new users, for every player that you invited, there will be corresponding points and comes to that. And to claim or redeem your rewards, you can just click these buttons right here for our Bitcoin, ETH, future bonuses, Bitcoin, ETH, VIP8, Weeks Liga co-branded jersey, and futures bonus. These are the corresponding points so that you can redeem them. And there are more on the below. You can just check out our website to learn more. So important guys, for our event rules, I'll just read it here. Allow me to read. First one, use the register now button to join. Complete the required tasks to earn points. Points can be redeemed for rewards on the event page, or join match activities to earn more points. Only tasks completed after registration will count. Daily trading tasks reset at 00 a.m. at UTC +8. Any unused points will expire after the event ends. Market makers, institutional users, and sub-accounts are not eligible. Trading volume from sub-accounts will be counted under the main account. Non-physical rewards will be reviewed and distributed within 24 hours. If any collusive trading is detected, all related accounts will be disqualified and rewards will be revoked. Only trades that generate fees counts toward valid trading volume. Trading volume from stablecoins such as USDC and USDT will not be included. Rewards are issued in points and distributed automatically based on results. Match results are updated the next day. Correct selections share the point pools from incorrect ones based on points used, and each match can only be joined once. Unredeemed rewards may expire. Contact support to claim physical rewards. And due to shipping costs, delivery times, and custom policies, physical rewards are only available in eligible regions. If your address is outside supported areas or cannot be delivered by our logistic partners, Weeks reserves the right to disqualify participants and revoke rewards. Weeks reserves the right, of course, to modify the terms and conditions at this event at any time without prior notice. Trading volume generated via API is not eligible for this event and will be excluded for the final calculation. This event is only open to users in Hong Kong, SAR, and Taiwan. Users outside these regions are not eligible to participate. VIP8 status is valid only for 19 days from the date of issuance, and VIP2 status is valid for 60 days from the date of issuance. So for our frequently asked questions, where can I view the status of my rewards? You can view your rewards distribution status in your rewards list. How long does it take for rewards to be issued? Tokens and physical rewards will be distributed within 24 hours after your eligibility is verified. Who should I contact if I encounter any issues? Please contact our customer support if you have any question or issues. And of course, last, why haven't I received points after inviting friends? A referral is valid only if the invited users complete the following: cumulative trading volume of greater than or equal to 1,000 USDT, net deposit is greater than or equal to 100 USDT, and non-qualifying referrals will not be counted. So just take notes, guys, so that you will not be confused once this event is available. So that's it, guys, for our La Liga Arena. Again, if you want to sign up now, just click the link right here to start your journey to our event. And that's it, guys, for another video. Thank you all for watching, and bye for now.